Hi, I'm Lucio de Allende. I'm the head chef at the Two Oceans Aquarium, and today we're going to make a lovely yellowtail curry in my kitchen. Let's start cooking. Okay, so for this curry recipe, we'll use a teaspoon of roast masala, a teaspoon of ground coriander, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and a teaspoon of turmeric. We also do 4 cocktail onions, 30 grams of coriander, a handful of cocktail tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes if you like, 4 garlic cloves, bunch of parsley, about a thumbnail size ginger, a chili for spice, a little bit of butter, and then we have a lovely fresh yellowtail, and it's all on the green list, and it's a beautiful fish to use for the curry. Pot on, a swig of olive oil, just get him in there. Then what we'll do is we'll sweat down the onions. I'm just going to quarter these ones, get them in there. So we'll just sweat that down for about, say, 5 minutes. You can slice your garlic, you can give it a rough chop. Again, I like it a little bit rougher. Just grate our ginger. Okay, so the onions are starting to go nice and glossy. Add our garlic and our ginger. Right in there. Give that a nice stir. You'll start smelling all that flavors are going to come out now. Now, as that's going, we'll just add a teaspoon of the roast masala, teaspoon of coriander, 2 teaspoons of medium curry spice, and then a teaspoon of turmeric. So what we'll do is we'll just slightly roast the spices. So we'll keep that going. This time I like just to add a dollop of butter just to help that going. And then here at this stage I'll add the tomato. You can keep them whole. I just like to slice it, get the juices going in there. Also keeps the pot nice and moist, doesn't burn. You'll see all that spices are becoming like a nice pasty effect with the butter. Being lekker. So right about now, we'll just have that going. Add our chili. You're just gonna have a nice bite to the curry. So now what you do is fill the tomatoes, they're nice and soft. Just add your coconut cream. Give that a stir. Beautiful color that. Yeah, with a teaspoon, just taste that. Yeah, that's good. Put that one on. Swig of olive oil. Our fish. So we'll just give it nice chunky slices to make this all come together. Take a little teaspoon of curry powder. Throw it over your fish. A little bit of salt, black pepper, and then you work that into the fish. And now we're just gonna seal it off. Put it down nicely. All that goodness in there. So now the trick is not to get overexcited and grab the pan and shake it. Just leave it there for a while, it ain't gonna burn. We'll chop some parsley. I dig parsley. I think it's like a very You can do anything with it. I like it. Coriander, a little bit of chop, rough chop. Like that. Let's just give it a, let's check it quick. You just wanna, that's beautiful. Could go a little bit further, but that's perfect in my eyes. Just give it a flip. Get in there. There we go. We'll give that another minute. Add everything together and we're good to go. So it's been about 5 minutes. We're just going to bring this up to a boil, taste it, check the seasoning, and then we're going to add the fish. We're just going to introduce the fish back. Lift the fish. Don't be too rough with it now. Just want it beautiful. Give it a light lift. Then we'll add our parsley, coriander. Now you just give it a nice lift again. Bring that to a Prit, and that's your curry. This morning before everything started, I made this is a quick naan bread. I'm going to show you how to do that quick. A little bit of flour on your surface. Just break a small piece off, put it down, work it. Doesn't need to be perfect. You don't want a perfect naan. We'll just run it around. My wife loves this specific curry and this naan bread. So we'll just spread that out. Warm pan, in it goes. So this naan recipe is a very simple recipe. You can use any cup as long as it's 2 cups flour, self-raising flour, and 1 cup yogurt, plain yogurt or Bulgarian yogurt or whatnot. Naan bread's done. It's been about 3 minutes aside. Turn off the heat. Let's plate this baby up. Give it a slice in half. Put it down. A little bit of coriander sprig, and there we go. Well, this is the yellowtail curry that we make at the Two Oceans Aquarium. I'm Chef Lucio de Allende, and this is my kitchen. That's good eating. Yo. That does smell good though. Yo.